Hello and welcome back to Player Crafter. Um, Last we left off, we had built this wonderful advanced, craft station. We had done a little bit of expanding. We put down our golden seed, and we had hit clouds in the sky. Actually, we hit blue sky and clouds in the sky, both in the previous video. So I believe the next terraforming index or milestone rather is rain. That'll be interesting. So there are a couple things we wanted to do in this. Probably grab those beans real quick. There are a couple things we wanted to do in this video. I believe the first of which was to see if we could create a jetpack, and the second of which is to see if we can create a nuclear reactor. So let's get started, shall we? We also had this launch platform. Greatly speeds up the terraformation process by sending rockets into space. Interesting. And then we also have this grass spreader. So we've definitely got a number of things that we can do. So let's do the jetpack first. So what do we need for that? We need uranium. We actually need 2 of these rocket engines, so we'll need 2 iridium rods. Now, I believe we have 1. We do. Alright, so we have 1, and then to make another, we need 9 iridium. How are we looking on that? So we have 5 here. We have 5. So we don't have... I don't think I want to scrap any of these, so we can only make 1 of the engines for right now. But we can go ahead and do that just to kind of get it out of the way. So we'll need some silicon to get the super alloy, and then the rest of the stuff we kind of have on hand already. Alright, let's go grab some silicon real quick. And seeing as we cannot complete the jetpack, we can move on to something like the power station. The nuclear reactor, rather. Where we're going to put it, we'll see. We did get a hint previously that it may be worthwhile being at a higher elevation. I'm assuming that's because there's going to be like lakes and rivers and I guess oceans even that form once all the ice starts melting. Alright, let's see. I went the long way around. Let's see if we do have what we need. So we can create that. Now we just need our iridium rod, and then we need another one of those, I believe. There we go. So we have 1 of the 2 rocket engines. We don't have enough of the components for another, so we're going to kind of stash it for now. Take you out. We'll put you in there. Alright. So we have a lot of aluminum. I believe aluminum is something that we need for a lot of the more advanced... I guess not advanced, I guess the intermediate, like the tier 2s, tier 3 drill might be a good one to do. It's very good. But for right now, let's try getting out our nuclear reactor. So for that, we need... Am I hearing something? What am I hearing? Oh, it's a solar storm or something. Alright, so we need uranium rod. I don't know if we have... we do not have enough uranium. We did have a uranium rod in a previous episode, but something strange happened and we couldn't quite... Did we not complete the Tier 4 oxygen tank. We did not. I suppose we can do that real quick. Let's see. Super alloy, super alloy, super alloy, and cobalt. So for super alloy, we need like a little bit of everything, if I remember correctly. So let's go grab a little bit of everything. We can have a look and see how our golden flower up here is doing. Still as efficient as ever, I see. Well, you can see it clearly now, the wreck down there. How we're looking? 3 of those, 3 of those, 3 of those. So we need iron and titanium. Now we just need iron. I believe 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. All right. Let's go see if this is everything we need. We want to go back to, there was that area where it had all the aluminum. There was quite a bit of resources that we had to end up leaving behind that we definitely want to go back for. But first, let's see if we can make some super alloys. 2, 3, and oxygen tank. There we go. I believe we were at 280, now we're at 370, so that's quite the increase. Okay. So we'll take a food pack with us. We'll take an oxygen. Not sure if we even need this actually, because we're going to, what are we going to do right now? We're going to look into, perhaps we can create this launch platform. We're going to need a lot more energy. This is probably a simpler, let's do this first. Do I have any lima seeds? Could take one out of these if I really wanted to. Not sure if I want to. We could just go explore and get some more seeds. So I think for right now, we'll leave that. Let's do the launch platform. Why not? So for that, we're gonna need a lot more energy. All right. So if we're gonna do more energy, we're gonna need more solar panels. We could create some tier 2 solar panels. We have an abundance of aluminum right now. Yeah. Otherwise, it's going to take a long time to get the 55 per second requirement. Whereas with this, I would just need 3. So iron, magnesium, silicon, and 2 cobalt. Let's do it. Alright, have a look. We need silicon. Any silicon? There we go. So we can create one. I believe we can create two now. Yeah. Alright, let's go back. The Endless Abyss is back. We'll face you. Which way do we want to face you? I guess we can do you kind of facing this way. Sure. Alright, so that's a total of just under 40. So perhaps one more, and then we can do the launch platform. We will need 3 aluminum for the... Yeah, that works out. Alright. So we need enough for one more. We haven't had any meteorites landing recently. I wouldn't mind some more resources dropping down. Okay. We can go have a look in that cave, see if there's anything worthwhile. Let's get this launch platform settled first. We're gonna need some more resources for the super alloys that it's gonna need, so we might as well grab a few on the way back. I'm also gonna need some more water soon. What's up here? Titanium? Are you titanium? You're not letting me mine you if you are. Oh. Alright. We wanted to do another one of these. We need magnesium. Any magnesium? Oh, I see some. Alrighty. Great. We do have some ice for water, so we can make that. And then we also have the materials needed to make another one of these. I'm gonna forget to rotate it, and then we're gonna have a weirdly rotated one at some point. It's gonna happen, but let's see. Alright, so now we just need 3 super alloys. Alright, just. So some of each. Some of each of the materials. more accurately, 3 of each. So we need silicon, really. There's some silicon. Okay. And I believe there was a lot of titanium in the recipe. Called for a lot of titanium, rather. So we will grab as much as we can find. Any more titanium? Okay. Alright, let's have some water. One of those, make another one of those. So we need iron. So we need 4 iron. And we need another titanium. So 4 iron, 1 titanium. Kind of going out at different directions each time because I feel like I don't want to deplete the resources too much in one direction. So we go out in random directions all the time. So we have enough titanium now. Now we just need a whole bunch of iron. You're not iron, but you looked at me funny. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1 for good luck. Oh, we can eat our beans. Delicious. Delicious beans. Could use some ketchup on them. Or tomato sauce. Beans and tomato sauce. Alright. I believe we have what we need. So this is... I was gonna say, I doubt this is an internal structure. It's pretty big. Where do we want to put it? Where do we want to put it? I feel like we're going to be heading out in this direction more often than not, so let's put it over here somewhere. Oh, I fell. Next to Stonehenge. Why can't I put you there? I can put you up here. Do I want to put you up here? Kind of looks weird. Maybe on a flatter surface, like up here somewhere. Is it because of all the materials? I'm guessing that's why it's being blocked. So if I take out all the materials in this area, let's see if that does it. Come on. There we go. Okay. Is that a large enough spot? Let's see. seems to still not like it. I know we got an unlock there. I didn't quite see what it was, but we'll have a look in a second. Still doesn't like it here, huh? It liked it on top of me for a second there, which is kind of strange. Like right here. I mean, it could be worse. Can get on from this side and can get on from the other side. I think that's okay. Let's go back real quick so we don't have to. I might build something up there so we don't have to keep going back and forth for oxygen. And then I recently got an unlock. What did we unlock? What did we unlock? Let's have a look at our progress. Wasn't any of these, I don't think. These we all had before. Something new in here? I may need to go back to the video to see what it was that we unlocked, but for right now, we have our launch station set up. Have any more food? We do. We'll take that. Oh, pinning. I'm guessing once we have like a map or something. So what is this? What is this all about? Let's see. Can I? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's instant. All right. Oh, okay. Provides geolocation to the mapping screen. Tracks Iridium asteroids. Ooh. Oh, tracks uranium asteroids. Okay. That is interesting. Okay, so I mean, we might as well. We're going for the jetpack, and we need more. I believe it was Iridium for the rockets, so it makes sense to do this one. Uranium would attract more stuff we need for the reactor, so let's do this one first. So we need the rocket engine, which we have, 2 super alloys, and 2 more silicon. If I drop down, am I gonna get hurt? No. Okay. So we need some silicon. And we need super alloys, so we're actually gonna need more of a bunch of stuff. Do we have any titanium? We do. Okay. The rocket engine, super alloys, silicon. Here's our rocket engine. Are we out of aluminum? We are out of aluminum. All right. So we need to go hunting for aluminum, I guess. That being the case, let's store our materials. We'll keep items that we can use to potentially make a base if needed. So we just need iron, and then we should be good to make a base. Let's go explore that cave real quick. See if there is anything interesting in there. And if there isn't, if there's nothing for us to bring back, so we're looking for aluminum really, then we can go to the aluminum field that we had found before. Bunch of food. I don't think I need any of that. Not currently, at least. Remember to keep an eye out for golden glints, golden things. Those chests are pretty valuable. It'd be nice to get our jetpack. Then we can just fly around. I'm sure there's a limit to it, but that's cool. Oh, look in here. I'm seeing a bunch of glowing red things. You know what that means. Iridium. That's what I needed. This looks hot. Oh, aluminum I needed as well. Oh, this is a treasure trove. Amazing. What's this line out here? Oh, it's just light. All right. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set up a little way station here, because this seems to be a prime spot. We could probably just put you on the floor without too much hassle. Something like that. Get our oxygen back. Let's grab an iron if we can find it. There's one right there. Just in case we want to make a chest. The environment here is beautiful. It looks really nice. More iridium. I'll take some iron. Aluminum. We'll get our jetpack before you know it. At this rate. Wow. Maybe we create that other rocket now to bring us uranium, because that's really what we're missing at this point. We're looking. We have 2 spots. How vast is this cave system? Alright, we'll definitely be back. We will definitely be back. And create a chest. We can store that. We can store this. So we have 3 more spots. Might as well make full use. Looks like some ice or something up there. More aluminum. And more iridium. Alright. Let's get out of here. That cave was a huge find. I had seen it before. I did not expect that, though. That's great, and there are still a lot of resources in there for us to look at. I do think it's worthwhile launching the rockets that will attract more iridium and uranium to us. We will craft both of those probably before we get our jetpack, because those are, in my mind, a little bit more beneficial in the long term. It'll grant us the resources to essentially craft our jetpack. So definitely something we want to do. So let's put away some of this iridium, while we craft our super alloys. I guess we'll take all of this. We don't need that one. Alright, so we need some titanium, some iron. Now we can put some more away. We'll have to do some organization of all of this in a little bit, in a future episode. Okay, so I think that'll be it for this video. I think in the next video, we will gather the remaining resources needed to launch a rocket. We may do we did find this what seems to be a pretty good source of iridium, so we may do the one for the uranium, and then following that we'll do the one for iridium deposits as well. The idea is to get them both out, and then we will do, there was another one for, it looked like mapping, like almost like GPS. There we go. I couldn't think of the word for a second. So we'll do that all in the next one. But that's going to be it for me for today. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.